I'm here again, and then I'm gonna show you something my sponsor sent me again. It comes from Amazon. It's a #1 seller, guys, so I hope you're gonna watch my entire video. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm gonna open it for you, and it come from Amazon. So let's open it, guys. So I have to, probably I can use my fingers to open it or a scissors. So we'll see. So there you go. Wow, this is really nice, guys. Wow, it's a 2-piece strap wrench set. So ayan, guys, this one comes from Amazon. It's a #1 seller, guys, and I would like to thank, of course, my sponsor for giving this to me, guys. See, it's really nice. Oh, look. And it says here, to use to loosen the tightened jar, leads, pipes, oil filters, and filtering pulleys. 6x1 and 2 inches wrench length. So it's like 162 milliliter, and 9 inches wrench length for 224 milliliter. That's it. So we'll open this. You know, this is good, guys. This is very handy. It's a good tool if you service your car, like oil change and filters. So this is very useful, guys. Very useful siya. So buksan natin. Open natin. Open. This is hard to open. Guys, so you can see, I don't know how to press this one, but of course my husband knows it, so I'm just showing it to you guys. So ayan, so dalawa siya. It's a nice rubber strap, and then this is very good, guys. It's very useful, but I don't know how to use it. But my husband, you know, my husband will be the one to get it. So I just want you to see what was given to me by my sponsor, guys. So we'll get that. I'm just gonna put it this way. Ayan, guys. Dalawa siya in one container, in one plastic. So dalawa siya. Ayan, guys, so it's color yellow. It's a nice rubber. There are 2 pieces, and then there are different kinds of length. So this is very handy, guys, and it's very useful sa inyo, guys. So if you got time, if you want to order, you can go online and buy this one, especially if you got cars, you know, whatever. So I would like to thank my sponsor, guys, for sending this to me. And then of course it's a #1 seller, guys, in Amazon. So I'll see you next time, guys, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It's me again, Selena. Okay, bye, guys.